was so low, bitch, thought I was on power. Got a bag so big by all my bitch house. So much cash over here, I don't even horny no more. So many bitches in my phone, don't even want them no more. I can spread on them all hunters, I can make you buzz it. Eat that pussy from the back, ooh, I can make you love it. Don't bring no new niggas around me, cause I don't really trust it. Keep that pole on.
What's good, YouTube? It's your boy T, aka Teamus Wright, and I'm back with another one. If you're subscribed to my channel, thank you so much. And if you're not, what are you doing? I want to punch you in the face. Like, I'm hella violent. So this is my kitten Nyla. Say hey, Nyla. She's so cute. I love her so much. So today I'm going to be showing you guys my 2 braids. I guess you can call them like fuckboy braids, because you're going to get all the niggas, all the bitches, whatever you into. If you follow my routine, like, your hair is going to be just as laid as mine. And who doesn't love a laid legend? So today I'm going to start off by blow drying my hair. You guys see me going in with my all-time favorite product, the Cocoa Cream Coil Butter. I'm going to go in with that to make sure that my hair is hydrated when I blow dry it, and also with the spray bottle to add some moisture in it. So I'm just going to blow dry my hair to get it straight enough for these 2 braids. It makes it much easier when you braid your hair when it's blown out versus when it's wet, or when it's just like detangled out and like air dried or something. Like, trust me, believe me when I tell you this. So definitely blow dry your hair first. And so I'm just gonna part it down the middle after I finish blow drying it with my new favorite blow dryer. If you guys haven't seen that video, make sure you check it out with me using this 1-step Revlon blow dryer. It works tremendously. So once I've parted down the middle as straight as I can get the part, I'm going to brush my hair to basically get it detangled, and so I won't have to be struggling to get through any knots or anything when I'm braiding it. I can just simply just braid right through it, as you guys can see. So as I say in all of my videos, I am not a professional braider. You're about to see how lumped up and messed up this is. But if you know how to like finesse things, like, you're good. So I always finesse my hair no matter how crazy it looks in the beginning. So yeah, you don't have to be a professional braider. You definitely don't even have to braid your hair, but this is a tutorial on how to braid your hair, so definitely give it a try. Don't be a sore loser and feel like, oh, only girls can do this. Or even if you're a girl, oh, I can't braid. Like, learn, bro. You never know until you learn. Like, you just learn, period. Who wants to pay people to do their hair? I feel like I'm ranting. I'm in a good mood. Like, what's good? Okay, guys, so yeah, I'm just braiding my hair straight to the back. It's pretty simple once you get the hang of braiding. It's not hard at all, but it definitely is tiring. Like, I feel like I had arthritis after I finished this video, and then my hair being so thick on top of that doesn't help at all. So yeah, you guys can see my braid is not perfect. It may look perfect or near perfect, but it definitely is not perfect. So I'm just gonna braid my hair straight to the back. Believe it or not, I usually get someone else, usually my mom, to braid my hair. So this is literally the first time I've ever accomplished these 2 braids like this. It never happens, like, ever. That's what I'm saying. You have to blow dry your hair, bro. So yeah, I was just hella proud of myself. I ended up doing the other braid off camera. But yeah, I showed you guys that one side. So are you good or not? So the next thing that I'm gonna do is go in with my other favorite that you guys know if you watch my videos, which you should be doing, is my Gorilla Snot. It's so thick and it's so perfect for my hair. It holds everything in place. No matter what's going on around me, it's gonna stay in place. It's gonna hold everything down. Like, it's good. So yeah, I'm gonna saturate my roots with this and just get everything to lay down, all those flyaways. Like, you guys are gonna see how well this Gorilla Snot just literally lays everything down. So yeah, definitely put as much Gorilla Snot as you need. I forgot to oil my scalp, so I was like scratching my head all week. Don't want to do that, guys. Make sure that you oil your scalp at least afterwards, if not before you braid your hair. So yeah, I'm just gonna go in and saturate my hair with the Gorilla Snot, making sure that I get everywhere, all of my strands at the top, so that I don't have any flyaways once I tie my hair down and everything. So your boy gotta add a little cuteness to the braids. Like, can't just be looking like no trap nigga with the braids. So I had to throw in the slick baby hairs or whatever. So if you guys want another baby hair tutorial, I think I've already done one, but if you guys want another one more in detail with my better quality, definitely comment down below, and I'll let you guys know my little tricks and all of that to make these 4C edges lay down. So as you guys can see, my hair is definitely 4C, and it's just not easy to get your edges laid down. But yeah, this Gorilla Snot will do it for you. So once I've laid my hair down, I'm just gonna tie it down. Wave check.
Got it! Got it!
Ooh, do y'all see? Do y'all see that? Like, okay, the shine, the waves, like, what's good? The baby hair, the laid legend. If you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit that like button, comment, subscribe, do all of that. Peace out.
8-inch bagel, that's the pipe.